Dubai. UAE space explorer Sultan Al Nayadi will recount stories from space to school understudies consistently during his half-year mission on the worldwide space station, ISS. It was uncovered on Wednesday. His recordings will be radiated to schools each Thursday by means of another site. High-ranking representatives of Emirates Writing Establishment, Mythical Person, and Mohammed Canister Rashid Space Center, MBRSC, said at a public interview to declare features of the 15th release of Emirates Carrier Celebration of Writing, Emirates Litfest, that started off today. On its Precious Stone release, Mythical Person has joined forces with MBRSC to send off Mythical Person in Space, a family training program, declared Isabel Abulhal, Chief and Legal Administrator, Emirates Writing Establishment.
The program will see youngsters draw in with space traveler Sultan Al Nayadi on his half-year venture at ISS. The unique associations with ruler and different space explorers associated with the program will serve us to invigorate, draw in, energize, and teach understudies across the UAE and district, said Abulhal. Instructive substance from space will be broadcasted to schools consistently under the Mythical Person in Space drive, said Salim Hamid Al-Mari, Chief General of MBRSC. Recordings that will be taken from space and afterward be communicated either live or pre-recorded and placed consistently on a site. What's more, that will then go to all schools, he told Inlet News. He said Al Nayadi will discuss his life in space, his daily practice, the significance of perusing and science, and so forth. We trust that this sort of an organization will make something important for the local area. Abulhal said there will be a devoted open space site that will be sent off to stream the space meetings. Al Nayadi, who will turn into the second Emirati in space after Haza Al Mansouri, is planned to make a beeline for ISS for a 6-month mission on February 26. Al-Mari said Mythical Person will be a key accomplice that will uphold with all instructive substance for the space mission. I accept this drive will uphold in building another age of researchers, specialists, visionaries. The organization with Mythical being gives a one-of-a-kind stage to draw in, energize, and teach understudies with the excursion of space travelers. As future pioneers and trendsetters, he said youthful students play a critical part to play in molding the fate of room investigation and disclosure. Drawing in with them through fun, intelligent, and instructive meetings, Mythical Person in Space will offer a chance to move and light their interest, encourage imagination, and outfit them with the abilities and information important to handle the difficulties of tomorrow, he added.